Hey guys, what's up? Today we're back with another video. We're back with in creative video. Let me just go ahead and quickly leave creative. Don't want to spoil anything. But well, what we're doing today is what I'm just doing is I'm just showing the new cars in creative, and I'm gonna go in a match and see if I can find the new wheels. So we could do that. So we're just gonna go back into creative, and yeah, we're gonna go look at the new cars, and yeah. But for some reason in creative for me, it's not letting me fly for some reason when you're in creative. I don't know why though. It's just weird. Yeah, let's just end this one. Oh, now I can fly. Oh, that was weird. I got my flight speed up 30. Okay, so now if you go onto creative and you have prunes, or if you're in your own map, go or click the button and then go on devices. Then it should say prevalence spawner, taxi spawner, whiplash spawner, beer spawner, and mud flap spawner. Okay, so then when you find those, this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to add them all to my chest. Oh no, I added 3 of them. Okay, now they're all added to my chest. So I'm going to go over to my chest. I'm going to click create chest. I'm going to open the chest. I'm going to get all of them. No, I'm going to do them up. So what we're going to do is we're going to place one there. We're going to place one there. We're going to place one there. And we're going to place one there. And we're going to place one there. Okay, right, now we've got all the cars done. So now we're actually going to test drive all of these. But I have test driven the Lambo, and it's actually pretty cool because it does have the boost with it as well, which is pretty cool. So first we're actually going to test out the Lambo. So it lets me get in. This is the Lambo, guys. That's the boost and the regens. The boost regens, if you wanted to know that. The Lambo is actually pretty fun to drive with, to be honest. Okay, right. Now we're going to put that back in its spot. What? Wait, what just happened, guys? Wait, what? Guys, what just happened? Just kicked me out of creative. Wait, what? What? Wait, do you guys know what's happening? Okay, let me just restart Fortnite. Sorry about that, guys, but I don't know what the heck happened here. just kicked me out of creative and stuck me on the loading screen. I don't know what the hell happened there. But if you're saying I'm posting too much Fortnite videos, I know, but I will be posting more Minecraft videos coming up soon. I probably will be posting this afternoon because I don't know what time it is right now, but soon I do have to go to school, so I'm actually doing this in the morning. That's pretty crazy. No. Okay, so now when we've loaded in, we're going to go back into creative, and we're going to go back into creative, and hopefully that doesn't happen again. I don't know what happened there. Is Epic trying to ban me, bruv? Why are you trying to ban me, Epic? We are loading in now. Yeah. It's taking ages to load in. Oh, now it's loading in faster.
Somewhere else.
Sorry about that. I'm very sorry about that. Where's my map gone actually? It's here. I don't know why it kicked me out of creative. For me, all the time they're like cars like despawn, I don't know why. But they're all back here again. So we're going to place them all back down. As we wasn't even in the middle of doing. Okay, so now all of them are placed down in just random places. Gonna test them out again. But since we already tested the Lambo, wait, give me a sec. Since we already tested the Lambo, and we was testing this one, we're gonna retest this one because as we was in the middle of testing it, it kicked us out of the game. So. I just broke the chest. Oh god. And now it's probably gonna go roll off the edge. Okay, it didn't. Okay, now we're gonna do this one. I'd say these cars are fast in creative, like they're faster in creative. Oh my god. Wait, what's not letting me fly? Wait, what? Wait, guys, can you see this? Look, I have nothing on my tab. What? I literally have nothing on my tab. And earlier, when I wasn't doing the video, it didn't let me fly, but I have my tab. What the hell? Okay, something's up with creative. What, bro? What are you saying, Jarvis? Bro, I'm trying to do a video over here, Epic, and then you're just putting loads of glitches in the game. You bloody damn serious. Okay, but I'm just going to go back into the world. Hopefully it lets me fly, because I need to. I do need to. Finally, I have my tab. Look, I have my tab. Yay, I have my tab. Finally. Hopefully it doesn't glitch again. But I don't know why it has these like blue blocks like next to the car thing. See? But unfortunately, you cannot get the wheels that were added in the Battle Royale game modes. You can't get those wheels in creative, unfortunately, which is stupid. So yeah, now we've tested out all the cars. Now gonna play one quick game, and gonna play one quick game, trying to find the wheels on a car. Then we're gonna test those out. Then I'm gonna end the video. Cause I need to do stuff. No, what am I gonna do? Hopefully I can find some wheels this game. Cause I really want to find some wheels. And in the middle of the day I won't be posting. Or I can't post. Ignore my lobby music, please. So, hopefully this video is not too long for you guys. I don't like to make long videos, but at the start, when I first started my YouTube channel, I always used to do shorts. Like shorts. Oh my god. Move jacking, boys. So lazy. I actually haven't been in a match since the update, so this is actually my first game on today. I literally haven't played any other games. I literally haven't even long come on, so because I haven't long woke up. I woke up about 20 minutes ago. Did my basics, then started the video. I already had the camera set up and stuff. What the heck? Oh my god! Oh my... Are you serious? I can't do anything, whatever. I think I'm just going to end the video there now. I'm getting pretty tired and, I also have other stuff to do, so peace.